Some ways you can fight hypertension and herbal remedies for high BP. Take care of hypertension naturally. Study greater approximately hypertension and notice wherein you suit into the equation. Find out the special ways you may combat high blood pressure and stay a higher existence. High blood pressure is an alternatively common situation wherein an individual will enjoy excessive blood pressure. The blood pressure turns into too excessive for the frame to deal with, and the coronary heart desires to pump a great deal harder to accomplish its task. The actual reasons at the back of hypertension range, however, there are some factors which intently comply with the event. For one, smoking can be related to hypertension. Already a terrible dependency, it could be causing greater harm than expected. It has already been proven that smoking raises a man or woman's blood stress, inflicting them to revel in a brief excessive. In addition to that, weight problems, diabetes, and a loss of physical activity might also all contribute to high blood pressure. The most important contributor, however, is strain. All of us have some form of stress in our lives, and as you recognize, it's very essential to manipulate that strain. It could be strain associated with own family lifestyles, or it can be task-related strain. Alternatively, it might be associated with the dating you are having. There are many motives for strain, and if it's inflicting hypertension, you need to find a manner to reduce that strain. As a way to deal with hypertension, it is important to lower one's blood strain to below 140/90. You can make a few adjustments for your lifestyle, or you may determine to have the problem treated through scientific way. You could have direction do a combination of each, however that is your desire, and yours by myself. If you are going to go the clinical route, you'll possibly be the usage of ACE inhibitors, beta blockers, diuretics, calcium channel blockers, alpha blockers, and some of others. At the same time, as these are generally pretty powerful, there are people who would alternatively try enhancing on their way of life to save you the hypertension. Right weight reduction plan and exercising, along with generally staying in form, are awesome ways to save you high blood pressure. Does this imply you will in no way have the trouble? In reality, no longer, but it will at least give you peace of mind in that you are doing everything you could to forestall the problem from taking place. Something to word is that it can be as a substitute difficult to live on a ordinary. You could discover yourself wavering, and you can start to doubt the usefulness of your precautions. It would be a great concept to visit a health practitioner to find out if you are at chance for high blood pressure. Via this you can additionally be capable of establish a good routine to keep yourself wholesome, and you may even talk to a nutritionist to discover which foods you must be ingesting. It could be quite a few work, sure, however in the long run it will likely be really worth it. Computer generation articles, especially if you could avoid hypertension altogether. Herbal remedies for high BP, take care of hypertension naturally. Is it possible to take care of hypertension in a herbal way is the question many sufferers ask, and the solution to this doubt is affirmative. Stress tablet is one of the pleasant herbal remedies for high blood pressure problem. Professionals are of the opinion that going herbal in treating excessive blood strain can be the first-rate choice, as in opposition to relying on some chemical-based treatments. The motive is natural treatments for hypertension are safe to use, and similarly to supplying relief to the ailment for which it's miles supposed, it could offer comfort to many other fitness issues as nicely. The herbal treatment known as Strays X capsules can help them in locating the supposed remedy in a safe manner. What are Strays X drugs? Those capsules are stated as natural remedies for hypertension because those capsules are the specific mixture of time-tested and established herbs which can be known to enhance the functioning of heart. It's miles stated that the elements in those pills can ensure healthful go with the flow of blood to the heart, and it is able to make certain the right functioning of the muscle tissue in the coronary heart. This natural method is likewise acknowledged to be useful in bringing down restlessness, fatigue, sleeplessness, insomnia, anxiety and pressure. Ingredients play an important role. The above referred to blessings are presented with the aid of these herbal remedies for high blood pressure due to the effective elements present in them, and here are the information about some of them. Shud Shilajit. That is certainly a mineral component with recovery properties. It is able to be powerful inside the following aspects. 1. It is able to increase the sperm quantity and excellent in guys. 2. It's miles regarded for its natural aphrodisiac homes. 3. It can revitalize the muscle tissues and cells inside the frame. 4. It's miles recognized to enhance stamina, and it could improve the functioning of immune device. thereby assisting people to live far from one-of-a-kind diseases. Those are the reasons why this remedy is added to herbal treatments for high blood pressure. Mango. Yes, that is the commonplace AAM tree that we're acknowledged and encounter on a daily foundation. Despite the fact that we are aware about its fruit as a tasty fruit, the leaves of this tree have medicinal homes, and this is why they're brought as elements in natural treatments for high BP. 1. It's far recognized to have anti-inflammatory homes. 2. It has antimicrobial homes and it's miles regarded for its antiviral houses as properly. 3. It is also recognized to enhance immune gadget health and its miles an effective anti-cancer agent as nicely. 4. It's miles recognized for its antioxidant houses as well. Chodachand. This herbal aspect is added to natural remedies for high BP because it's far powerful in treating high blood stress. 1. This element is understood for its high-quality clinical residences. 2. It is able to deal with high BP and fever. 3. It can therapy psychological issues and computer virus infestation. 4. It could offer comfort to itching skin. What problems could be addressed? These herbal treatments for high BP will assist in supplying remedy to the subsequent problems. 1. Pressure, fatigue and restlessness. 2. Poor heart functioning. 3. Sleeplessness and insomnia. 4. Hypertension and excessive blood stress. So free net content. These herbal treatments for high BP can provide notable and secure relief to this difficulty due to its powerful substances. With the use of stem cell therapy, you can completely cure hypertension and more than 200 diseases and illness. To get stem cell for use or as a distributor, you can contact me. Please subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Thank you.